Hi, thanks for joining me today. I'm Scott, personal trainer with Gradual.Fitness, and today I want to give you a quick beginner to intermediate 5-minute ab workout. So the first one we want to do is just pelvic tilt bridges, they're called. So bring your feet close to your glutes, and the goal here is just to tilt your lower back in and your pelvis up and push through with your glutes and your hamstrings. And don't push to strain yourself, and this should be guided by your lower core muscles, which you tuck in from the lower underneath the belly button. So what you want to do is just push up like that. So let's get started here. We're going to do 1-minute increments on each of the ab workouts. So if I stop, just keep going if I explain something. So here we go. Low push, rather tilt, low push up, tilt and push, hold for a sec sometimes. Lower down slowly, don't hurt yourself. Relax your neck, don't have it up. Really engage that lower core, roll that lower back onto the ground, and push up through the hips. This is designed to strengthen the inner core muscles. So you don't really need to, pushing to the extreme is not the goal. Engaging those lower core muscles is the goal here. So keep going. We got about another 15 seconds of this. Tilt up. Let's hold for here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly lower down. Let's go back up again. Let's hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. The next exercise is side touches. So same position. Roll your upper abs up a little, shoulders off the ground, arms out to the side, and then let's just slowly touch to each ankle. So it's gonna be like this, right? Keep up and engaged. Don't put stress on your neck. Hold with the core. Slow roll to each side. You should feel this twisting across your obliques and abdomen. Just keep it nice, tight, hold, keep the breath going. Don't hold your breath here. You could really strain your abs and your neck. Keep breathing. Here we go. All right, let's turn over. Now we're gonna go to a plank or a modified plank. So modified plank is knees, keep a straight line from back down to the knees. Head 45 degrees over the faced out in front of you. If not, we're gonna go full plank here. Hopefully you guys can do this. This is from the crown of the head to the feet is a straight line. Gaze 45 degrees in front of you. Arms directly under your shoulders. You can bring your weight forward a little bit if you want to. Kind of helps take a little pressure off the abs. And really hold deep through your abs here. If you need to take a break and modify, go ahead, go down, come back up. Here we go. Got about 15 more seconds left. Let's see if we can just hold this straight here. You notice I got a little sag, but I'm trying to hold up with those abs in the center. You can almost hollow out in the center and push up through it once you get strong enough. Here we go. Let that go. So the next thing we're gonna do is called the little boat. And so legs all the way straight below or down, arms, and we're gonna just come up, lift our feet and our arms off the ground a little bit and set back down. Come back up, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 if you can. If not, just continue with the light up and down. You should really feel it through your lower abs as well as your upper, but the lower abs are keeping the legs up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let it down. Breathe and come up. Let it down. Up, a deep breath. Let it down. Let's come back up one more. Sorry if the mic's a little hot. Hold it here. Let it go. Just kind of twist your legs a little bit. Relieve the abs some here for a second. And then we're gonna go back, pull the feet up towards the glutes, and we're gonna do side touches again here. Let's go there. Let's warm this up for 10 more seconds, and then we're gonna just go up the middle with the pike hands. All right, side to side here. Engage it. If you need to stop for a sec, take 1 or 2 deep breaths, get back up, and then let's go up the middle here. Just lightly roll the shoulders off the mat. No need to stress your neck or anything else. You should be feeling this by now. If not, you probably need another instructor who can kick your butt. Here we go. Hold it up here. 5, 4, 3, 2, slowly lower down. Come back up, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, I know you're gonna love me for this. Let's close out in the plank. So like I said, modified knees up, or like feet up, knees down if you need to, like that, straight legs, or straight back rather. And then this is the preferred method here. Maybe throw in some joggers if you want to, if you're feeling a little bored with my workout. If not, hold here, recess down if you need to take a quick break, but come back up, all right? If not, just keep holding this through here. We're almost done. Good job, guys. As you can tell, 5 minutes on the abs. It may not give you a six-pack, but it will definitely get you started and feeling it. There we go. I got less than 10 left, I believe. Hold that form, hollow out through the stomach. Here we go. Good job, guys. Let's just maybe lay down on our back real quick here. Close it out. Hold your arms out overhead, feet down at the bottom. Stretch that out. Reach side to side. Again, thank you guys for joining me. Hope you enjoyed. Feel free to subscribe. Got more videos coming soon. Thanks a lot and have a good day.